Okay, so some common sort of question. They're assuming that you know that 9.8 is related to an object in free fall, but they're really asking you to understand what it means, right? So you hopefully understood it when we did this in class, right? That 9.8 number really is the acceleration of the object, right? It's negative 9.8 meters per second squared. And that means that after 1 second, it's moving at a speed down of 9.8 meters per second squared. And then after 2 seconds, it's moving down at negative 19.6, or that's not squared, that's just how fast it's moving. And after after 2 seconds, it's moving down there, right? But it's important to remember, right, that at 0 seconds, it's moving at 0 meters per second if it's a dropped object, right? So it's got to get over that entire first second, it's got to get from 0 to negative 9.8, right? Right after it falls, halfway through that second, it's going to be halfway in between those two numbers. So it's not during the entire first second of fall, right? Maybe you can think about halfway through, right? Halfway through the first second, I can think of my time as 0.5 seconds. And then I could use VF equals VI plus AT, right? It's dropped, so VI is 0. VF now is negative 9.8 meters per second squared times 0.5 seconds. And halfway through, it's moving at, it's got a final velocity of negative 4.9 meters per second. So it's moving down at 4.9 meters per second. It's not during the entire time of fall, because after 2 seconds it's moving even faster. And no one said after it's fallen 9.8 meters yet, but it's not going to be that either, right? It doesn't have to do with the distance it falls. That's not when its speed is 9.8 meters per second. Its speed is 9.8 meters per second after that first second. It's got to be that one.